Hi, my name is Ken Ibenne and welcome to the business news update on the News Chronicle. We have Olam sells 44.6% agribusiness stake to Saudi Arabia fund for $2.35 billion. Now, Olam Group is restructuring its portfolio with a $2.35 billion deal to sell a 44.58% stake in Olam Agri to Saudi Arabia's SALIC. Now, this will be granting the fund about 80% in control. Now, Olam aims to optimize its holding and also plans an OFI IPO in London and also in Singapore. Secondly, we have our CBN governor pushes for stronger Nigeria-Saudi economic ties. Now, the CBN governor, Olayemi Cardoso, met with Saudi Arabia officials to explore economic collaborations in finance, infrastructure, and also trade. Now, he emphasized Nigeria's interests in leveraging Saudi investments to boost economic growth and also strengthen bilateral relations. Also have FG to raise 350 billion naira in February 2025 bond auction. The Nigerian Debt Management Office plans to raise about 350 billion naira via bond issuance in February. Now, this aligns with the government's strategy to secure long-term financing or funding for economic growth while giving investors access to stable fixed income securities. Now we also have US markets largely falls. The United States market mostly slid on Monday as Trump's tariff threats with a weighed on investor sentiments. Now the S&P 500 lost about 0.5%, while the Nasdaq Composite dropped to 1.21%, with major tech stock under immense pressure. Now, the Dow Jones Industrial Average managed a slight 0.8% gain, and also over in Europe, the STOXX 600 index dipped about 0.8% as well as traders reacted to Germany's federal election results. That's all from the business news update. Stay informed with the news chronicles. Like, share, and comment below. Also, you can visit the website on www.thenews-chronicle for more business updates. Thank you so much and see you next time.